C'est un échantillon de sang d'une personne d'une cinquantaine d'années qui n'a pas été vaccinée. On voit des globules rouges qui sont parfaitement séparés les uns des autres. On voit que le sang ici est parfaitement fluide. Ceci est considéré comme une formule sanguine optimale.
So this is the blood of a person who was just vaccinated. Interestingly, the staples of the red blood cells, this is not normal. This is due to mainly electric smog, and also a low mineral content in the blood. The blood of a person who was just vaccinated, that if you take out the blood, sometimes it doesn't even come out due to clotting. So if the needle injects into the finger, immediately the blood starts to build fibrin fibers that you can see here, these fibers. And they have so many fibers that the blood does not even come out of the finger. Even inside the body, the coagulation is there, and the blood will be full of these fibers and doesn't go through the arteries and the veins. It cannot go through anymore. It just slowly goes through in these patients just after the second vaccination. It's really severe, and they can die after that because it's so much clotting the blood. The other vaccine is the Johnson & Johnson and AstraZeneca. It's an adenovirus. And I would suggest this is even more dangerous because then you have a selective pressure of the immune system against adenoviruses that could cross with other, genetically cross. They make sex, and they cross with other adenoviruses. And you have this genetically engineered in any adenovirus. This is dangerous and puts a pressure on the immune system to create new viruses, new adenoviruses, but also to create new viruses of the corona type, because they express the S protein, which is very strong antigen for the immune system since the early life of people. So I think it's even more dangerous. And that's what we can see. So if you have a vaccination with Johnson & Johnson or AstraZeneca, you see more severe and more side effects, and stronger side effects. And not only this coagulation problem. These new vaccines, nothing has been like that before. So they change the whole side effect spectrum. As we can see that the side effects are low oxygen. This will damage the brain of any embryo that develops, of any fetus that develops. So they get stupid children, I would say, simple language. But they also can get lost. So if the embryo dies inside because of low oxygen, you get just a spontaneous abortion. That's what we will see in pregnant women who have been vaccinated just because they did not know that they are pregnant. The most important point is that science should be really neutral, not dependent on money. Now, this is the most important thing we have to focus on in the future, because what we can see now is just that every scientist, every virologist, with some 2 exceptions I know, are dependent on the money of big companies. This because it kills people. Just the money kills people, not only jobs, but it also kills people. That's the situation right now. We have to change this immediately.